May pagka Justin Bieber talaga siya eh. What's poppin' everybody, is your boy David again and I'm back with another video today. So ito na yung pinakahihintay ninyo. So this is Rain Selmar if I'm not mistaken. So she's an ex-PBB housemate. I think she's in the top 4 or final 4. Kumanta siya dito sa Wish 107.5 bus ng kantang Pahuway. So sa amin mga Bisaya, so Pahuway means rest or pahinga, in Tagalog. So, yeah, I'm very excited. Hindi ko alam na Bisaya pala si Rain. If I'm correct with my assumption, na itong Pahuway is a Bisaya song. So, anyway, if you guys haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe. You can also follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. By the way, to give you a little bit of history, I'll try to be impartial, okay? Kahit binash ako sa TikTok dahil nag-react ako sa konting clip ni Rain Selmar na ni-request din ng mga mga followers ko to react to that certain clip. And maraming hindi nagustuhan yung reaction ko and I don't know why. I'm just trying to be very honest, sa aking mga reaction para naman, there's honesty and genuine ako, di ba? So, nasa sa inyo na yan kung tanggap nyo o hindi. But sa akin yun, okay? That's my own opinion. Okay? So, eto naman, I'll try to be impartial and unbiased kahit na binash ako ng fans ni Rain. So, yeah, let's begin.
Wish 107.5.
Hear the flow and the echo of the waves and the view of the sunsets. Cause heaven knows it's been hugging on my soul in a way no one else can. In a life full of craziness, you're the steady hand that holds me when I'm down, feeling weak. You are the home whenever I grow, the feeling I chase wherever I go. Walay lain parehas sa imo.
Diba sabi ko, Bisaya eh. To be honest, it's giving may pagka Justin Bieber na pagka Billie Eilish yung style niya, which I did not expect. Nice. So that's why maraming nagko-comment doon sa TikTok video na nung nireact ko na may mga nagsasabi daw na may pagka-international yung tone quality niya. So now, parang may affirmation talaga na yes, you guys are correct, no? And the clarity, yung diction niya sa English is really good, no? Very neutral, very clear. And nung kumanta siya ng Bisaya, mas na-impress ako kasi nga, 'di ba? Plus point sa akin 'yon kasi Bisaya ako. Nice. Okay.
I'm on a breath of fresh air in the world that's always rushing, but the cold makes me come back to you when it's crazy. Oh, every time that we're apart it's like
May pagka Justin Bieber talaga siya eh.
No, not at all. You are the home whenever I grow, the feeling I chase wherever I go. Walay lain parehas sa imo. Nahunahunaan ako, kung wala ka wala jud ko, kasakit na ko. Mawagtang kong
Nice. Okay.
Kung wala ka, wala, jud, wala, wala, wala. Mawagtang kong kuyog ni mo, wala'y sa'yo. Ikaw ang pahuway. Pahuway na ako, na ako, pahuway na ako, ikaw ang pahuway na ako.
Nice.
Wishclusive on Wish.
Nice, bro. You know, alam nyo, yung music, it's giving High School Musical. You're the voice I hear inside my head. Yung gano'n. Ang daming influence ng kantang to. No? I can hear like Demi Lovato, Miley Cyrus, Justin Bieber, Billie Eilish. Yung start niya, parang, yung phrasing parang nagra-rap, di ba? Very impressive. This is why song choice is really, really, really important. No? Kapag ka nag-perform ka. It should be within your range, bagay sa tone quality mo, and dapat comfortable ka sa key, no? Hindi yung masyadong mataas, no, na parang pilit na siya, na yung style din, yung genre din is very important. And I think this kind of genre suits Rain so well, no? Hindi yung mga pang-diva. By just listening to Rain, no, I think she's alto, no? Hindi naman siya soprano. Yung range niya is hindi naman ganun kataas. But if it's used or utilized well sa isang kanta or performance, it really sounds so good, no? So, yeah, song choice is very crucial sa isang artist, okay? So anyway, that's it. And I hope you guys enjoy the one. Impressive, super impressive din rin dito. So I hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? So peace!